Hi food lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I make this super delicious creamy penne pasta. This pasta is so delicious and it's restaurant standard. So I started by frying my well cooked and seasoned turkey. I fried it till it's golden brown, and these are the veggies and onions I'm going to be using, and also these are basically the things I'll be using for this pasta. And this is the penne pasta I use. It's so nice. And these are the spices I'll be using to make this delicious meal. I already marinated my shrimps and my chicken. I marinated it and set it aside for about 2 hours or so. So I've done that before starting the whole cooking stuff, and it is well seasoned and marinated. So I'm just going to toss it in a pan and roast it and make sure it is well done and cooked. Then I'm just going to set that aside and move on to the next thing. So now it's time to make the base of the pasta. Just like every other thing you do, you put your oil in your pan, then you add your tomato paste or tomato can, anyone, just add your tomatoes and make sure you fry it till the old tomatoes is dissolved in the oil. Yes, you can, during this process you can add your onions because we need to fry the onions as well. Don't mind me, I'm a onion lover. I love onions so much. So I added my onions, I stirred together and allow everything gets incorporated. Then after that I pour in my already blended pepper mixture. Then I poured it in and stir together, and I started adding my seasoning and spices. I added paprika, I added ginger garlic, I added onion powder, I added all-purpose powder, and curry masala. So those are the things I added in there. Then after all these ingredients, I make sure I stir everything together and allow it get all incorporated so that there won't be spices in one side, and that's stuff, that's drama. So we don't want that. Then I go in with my seasoning cube, I go in with some salt. Please, little amount of all these things. You don't want your food to be too seasoning, just right amounts. Then I cover and allow it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then after that I put in the turkey I fried because I want that peppered turkey. So I did that first. I just rubbed the pepper in the turkey just for a few minutes. And cover it to steam steam just for a few minutes. Then after steaming I bring the turkey out of the pepper so we can proceed to the next thing to do with this pepper mixture. So now I'm done bringing out the old turkey, and now we have our pepper to work with. So first of all I add in my meat stock from my turkey. Then I stir together. The meat stock was not much, just few amount. I added the meat stock first so that I will know the taste of the pepper base before going in with all the whole thing. So then I added my cooking cream. Be generous with your cooking cream. This is the main thing. This is what make it creamy. This is why it is called creamy pasta. So be generous to your cooking cream. And I added in my penne pasta. This penne pasta I already parboiled it. Yes, I already parboiled it, so it was like let me say 50% ready. Yeah, it was 50% ready. Then I stir and allow all the old ingredients enter the pasta, and after doing that I added just little amount of water, very little amount of water. You don't want your pasta to be too soft, but at the same time we don't want it to be too strong, so we just want it to be very perfect, accurate. I covered and allowed it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I checked again, and after that I added my veggies. You can see this veggies is like the second to the last thing I put in this pasta because I don't want the veggies to be too soft, I want it to still, when you take a bite, you feel it. Yeah, that's what I wanted. That's why I didn't add it at the base of the pepper before putting the pasta. So I allow the pasta cook to like 80% ready before I add the veggies. Then after adding the veggies, I added my already toasted shrimps and chicken. So I covered it and allow it cook for another 5 minutes. Then I stir together. I stir very well and allow everything get all incorporated. So that's just the reason for your stirring. Just need to stir and allow everything enter each other, gets all incorporated. So that's just it about that. After allowing it gets incorporated, then you cover and allow it cook. Let's say cook or steam, whatever. But at this point, I already off my cooker, so it's just steamed. It's steamed for about another 5 minutes. So after steaming, this is what we have. The pasta is perfectly cooked, like perfectly. It was not too soft, it was not strong, it was just perfect. And guess what? It was so delicious, so delicious. I had to make large amounts so I can keep in the freezer. And till now, I'm still eating the one I kept in the freezer. It was so delicious, it was creamy, it was just so perfect. My partner is the picky person when it comes to food, but this one, he really loved it, and I'm glad he loved it. So guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.